Hello everyone, I'm Lavanya. Welcome back to my channel Health and Nutrition. Did you know that when we are chronically stressed, too much cortisol is released and can interfere with thyroid hormone production? These days, thyroid issues have become part of our lives. This can be cured or avoided naturally by living a healthy lifestyle. Watch this video till the end to know what is thyroid, causes of thyroid disease, foods to consume and avoid, and many more. Without further ado, let's get started. What is thyroid? The thyroid is a gland. This gland is a smaller organ that's located in front of the neck, wrapped around the windpipe, that is trachea, just above the collarbone. It's shaped like a butterfly, smaller in the middle with two wide wings that extend around the side of your throat. The thyroid gland is part and parcel of the endocrine system, which is a collection of glands like pituitary, thyroid glands that produce all important hormones responsible for metabolism, growth, sleep, mood, etc. Functions of thyroid gland. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate the body's metabolic rate, controlling heart, muscle, digestive function, brain development, and bone maintenance. It helps to regulate many body functions by constantly releasing a steady amount of thyroid hormones into the bloodstream. If the body needs more energy in certain situations, for instance, if it is growing or cold or during pregnancy, the thyroid gland produces more hormones. When the thyroid works properly, it will maintain the right amount of hormones to keep the metabolism working at the right rate. As the hormones are used, the thyroid creates replacements. To make the exact right amount of hormones, the thyroid gland needs the help of another gland, that is the pituitary gland. When the pituitary gland senses a lack of thyroid hormones or a high level of hormones in the body, it will adjust the amounts with its own hormone. This hormone is called thyroid stimulating hormone, that is TSH. The TSH will be sent to the thyroid and it will tell the thyroid what needs to be done to get the body back to normal. There are two main hormones made by the thyroid called T3 and T4. They make all of the cells in the body work harder, so the cells need more energy too, like slowing or speeding up heart rate, rising or lowering body temperature, metabolic rate, managing skin and bone maintenance, etc. What is thyroid disease? When thyroid hormone levels are off, several issues can arise. You can have an overactive thyroid gland where too much thyroid hormone is produced, called hyperthyroidism. You can also have an underactive thyroid gland in which too little thyroid hormone is produced, called hypothyroidism. These two main disorders can be caused by a variety of conditions. They can also be passed down through inheritance. A goiter is the irregular growth of the thyroid gland, or it may be the result of irregular cell growth that forms one or more lumps in the thyroid. A goiter may be associated with no change in thyroid function or with an increase or decrease in thyroid hormones. In some cases, however, it can signal an underlying thyroid disease that needs treatment. Here are some causes of thyroid disease. Symptoms of an overactive and underactive thyroid can include the following. Thyroid during pregnancy. Pregnancy-related hormones raise the level of thyroid hormones in the blood. Thyroid hormones are necessary for the baby's brain development while in the womb. It can be harder to diagnose thyroid problems during pregnancy because of the change in hormone levels that normally happen during pregnancy. But it is especially important to check for problems before getting pregnant and during pregnancy. Uncontrolled hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism can cause problems for both mother and baby. Why women are more likely to get thyroid? 1 in 8 women will develop thyroid problems during lifetime. There is an interplay between thyroid hormones and the hormones that fluctuate during the menstrual cycle. Thyroid problems can happen at any time, but they are especially common in women during and after the menopause when hormone levels are changing. Some women may confuse the symptoms of thyroid disorders with the effects of menopause, which can prevent them seeking treatment. It is suspected that the development of thyroidism and its variants is linked to autoimmunity, which is more commonly found in women than men. Here are a few things which you can do to overcome hypothyroid conditions. One should avoid certain kinds of foods containing goitrogen. Here are some of them. Soy products like tofu, soybeans, etc. Cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower and broccoli. Sweet potatoes, peaches and strawberries and peanuts. There are certain foods which a person with hypothyroid should consume. One of the causes for hypothyroidism is less iodine in the system. To have sufficient iodine, eating selenium-rich foods more like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, nuts like almonds, walnuts and yogurt. Practicing yogasanas like bridge, fish, cat-cow, boat pose, camel, cobra and corpse poses, etc. can help one manage thyroid symptoms. Eat food that has life in it, such as fresh vegetables, fruits, sprouts and grains. Do not eat food like white rice, wheat without bran, white sugar, refined flour, suji, etc. These all are refined foods. Instead of this, eat wholesome foods like brown rice and wheat with bran. Eat more water-rich foods like ash gourd, cucumber, watermelon, muskmelon, bottle gourd, vegetable juices and any other seasonal fruits. Either salt is highly refined and processed. Instead, you can have rock salt. One can avoid cooking oils like soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil and vegetable oils. Instead, choose virgin cold-pressed coconut oil. It allows for conversion of fat into energy. It increases your metabolic activity and metabolic rate in the human body. And yes, coconut oil helps you lose abdominal fat. Too much sleep will cause hypothyroidism. Ideal sleep should go up to 7 to 8 hours. Sleep will help in releasing T3 and T4 hormones. The human body is designed to heal itself when we follow healthy lifestyle and to have faith in the intelligence of the human body. How is thyroid disease diagnosed? Sometimes, thyroid disease can be difficult to diagnose because the symptoms are easily confused with those of other conditions. You may experience similar symptoms when you are pregnant or aging and you would when developing a thyroid disease. Fortunately, there are tests that can help determine if your symptoms are being caused by a thyroid issue. These tests include blood tests, imaging tests, and physical exams. A quick summary. Thank you for watching as always. Please like, share, subscribe and hit a bell icon to get all the updates. I hope you found this video helpful. Please drop your comments below. Eat right, stay healthy. Bye-bye.